Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn output function in C language. A C language offers many input-output functions. What is input function? Function that are used to get data and then to assign it to variable are known as input function. What is output function? Functions that are used to receive data from the computer memory and then send it to the output devices are called output functions. C language offers the output functions such as printf, puts, cout. The first output function that are going to be discussed is printf function. Is the most useful and most commonly used function in C language. The printf is used to display the data on default output device mean monitor. It can be used to display messages, values of variables and to print the answer of arithmetic expression. It has the following general format: printf, escape sequence, format specifier. These are written in double quotes, comma, variables and expression, and at the end of this statement and at the end of this function the statement terminator means semicolon is put. Cout is output function which is used to display the value of variable or expression and string of character. Puts is also output function that is used to display strings and the variables. The variable contains string of character. Let's practice these functions. Output function printf is output function which is used to display string and value of variable or expression. Printf, so if we want to display a string welcome to my class, this is a string which is enclosed in double quote, so this will be displayed on the output screen on the monitor. And if we initialize two variable a and b, initialization means giving or assigning values to variable during declaration. Float c is equal to 5.5, character d is equal to plus. Every character is enclosed in single quote. Now let's display it on the screen using printf function. So format specifier are used. %d is used for integer. So there are two integers. So %d will be written two times in double quotes, and a and b are separated with comma. %f is used for float. This is also format specifier for floating point number. And for character, %c format specifier is used to display result of the variable. And hash include stdio.h is the header file that must be included to use printf and scanf function. So stdio.h is the header file. The result of printf function will be 20, 30 and 5.5, which is floating point. Cout is also output function which is used to display string mean which is in double quotes and also value of variable. This is a string, so the string must be enclosed in double quotes, and at the end we will put a semicolon, statement terminator. And the iostream.h is the header file that must be included into your program so that you can use cin and cout function. Now to display the value of variable a, b, c, d which are initialized at the start of this program statement, we must use insertion operator for each variable. The result will be 20, 30, 5.5 and plus. Plus is a character constant which is enclosed in single quote. Cout, we can write cout the value of a. So for each value or string, the insertion operator is written. Backslash n is escape sequence, which is used to display the new line. The output will be printed on the new line. The value of C and cout backslash n, which is escape sequence for new line. It will display new line. This is the program segment. Now let's discuss the puts function. Puts function is used to display string on the output screen, mean on the monitor. Welcome to my class. This is string constant, which is enclosed in double quotes. Now let's initialize array. Henna is string of character. The size of array is 10. So if we want to display this name, the variable name will be used to display this.